So continuing with how to use the template to create the pages for Lab 2, I'm going to go ahead and create the story page now. I'm not going to finish the page, just show you how to use the template to start it. So again, I'll go to my student page template, which is right here. I'll go File, Save As, and this is my folder where I have all the pages for my student site. This is going to be called story.html, and I'll go ahead and click Save. And so now you can see that I have the additional story, and that matches the name that I put in the template here. So I've just created that page. So now I'm going to go ahead and just clean this out. It's got the stuff from my bio page, our index.html page. So I'll delete all of this and go ahead and give an ID of story here. I might have something different in the assignment directions. The idea here is that I have a unique ID so I can apply styles to just this section of the page. Again, I'll save. So now this is ready. I'll go ahead and complete the assignment in here. I will go ahead and add the story, which of course you have to write, and insert the images. And you shouldn't have any trouble figuring out how to do that on your own, but we'll go over it again in class. Okay, I also wanted to show you how to fix those links, which I want to appear at 1 per line in my links page. So let's go back to that. Here's the links page. And again, I'm going to use this ID here to create a contextual selector. So I'm going to go over to my CSS file here, and I'll go down to the bottom, and I'll add another selector in. So I'm going to start with an ID selector. So that's going to be pound links, and that would apply to that whole section, that main there. But what I want is I want to apply a rule just to the hyperlinks within the section. So I'll combine that with a contextual selector. So this rule now says apply these style rules to the A elements, that is the hyperlinks, when they're within a section that has an ID called links, or an element that has an ID of links. Okay? So then basically to just apply this, I have to change the display. So display :space. I'm not getting the IntelliSense here, but basically I know this is block. So I'll go ahead and set that. And oh, I see, I forgot the I made a mistake. So you see I had a paragraph, or pardon me, a parentheses there. So let's go ahead and put a squirrely brace in there. And there we go. And I can do more than this, obviously, for my links. In fact, you know all those pseudo links like the visited, link, active, and the one where you overlay, which my memory is losing right now. Anyhow, let's go ahead and save this, and then we'll go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to go back to the links page, and if you remember in the last video, these links were all on the same line. So let's go ahead and go to our design view, and now you can see that the links are indeed being displayed as block level elements, and they're 1 per line. So I use the display setting to set that. I can go further and add more style for how these look. In particular, it'd be nice if I used that one that gives you interactive effects when the user mouses over it. Alright, that's all for this one. Really short video this time. Hope this stuff helps you.